Okay, we're live on location talking about logs. So I thought this was appropriate background. Let's see how this works. I'm doing this one-handed, so this might be a little bit of a mess. So we want to talk about change of base. I'm not going to explain exactly why this works. There's a great Khan Academy video that I've posted, as well as you could just look up proof for change of base logarithm, and I think the Khan Academy is the first one that comes up. But this is a problem I posed to my students when we first started studying this. And in this case, 100 equals 5x. Well, 2 would give you 25. 3 would give you 125. So it's somewhere between 2 and 3. But we don't exactly know what it is. We can change it around. We can write it in log form, which is log 5, 100 equals x, because this is asking the question of 5 to what power is 100. So it's the same question either way. But then we're not quite sure where to go because there is no log 5 button on most calculators. So we're kind of stuck here. So this is where we do the change of base. So using some rules we may not have learned, one thing we could do is just take the log of both sides. We can take the log of both sides and get log 10 of 100 equals log 10 5 to the x. And then the x can actually come out front. And this is a property we may not learn, but this is an equivalent form. So essentially I'm just taking the log 10 of both sides, and then one way I can manipulate that is the x will just automatically come out front of that side. From that, a little bit of algebra is I can rearrange it, just divide both sides by log 10 over 5. And now log 10 is on most calculators, or just log. We don't necessarily have the 10 subscript on it on most calculators. That will give me 2 over 0.699, and when I finish I'll get 2.861, which I can check, which comes out very close, even closer if I use all of the digits provided on my screen on my calculator. Now, one more thing before we sign off. The other thing I can do here is I actually didn't use the change of base formula. So this is the change of base formula. Change of base, sorry my shadow is in here. Change of base is simply says for any A here and B here, I can do this. I can take any other log. So this could be log 10, this could be natural log. If I had a log 2 button, it could be log 2. But basically, whatever that number I'm trying to find the log of, to some log that I do know, over that same log, so in most cases log 10, the original base I had up here, which is what we did exactly over here. It's the exact same thing we did over here. So our log 5 100 becomes log 10 100 over log 10 5, or, and you can check this on your calculator that you get the same thing. Most calculators have a natural log button. Log of 100, natural log of 100 over natural log of 5 will give you the exact same answer that we got over here. So this was the shortcut to get to right here. Hope that helps.